Hi everyone, today I will discuss about Freeport, or the largest gold mine in the world. Do you guys ever hear about Freeport? That the largest and the hardest gold mining in the world that located in Papua. In fact, that this gold mining can make netizens fight with each other because more than 51 years, this gold mining that in Papua is owned by foreigners. Gold usually processed into jewelry in addition. Gold can be used as coin or mixture of various electronic products. This type of mineral has a high electronic value. I'm going to give you a little explanation about natural resources. So what are the natural resources? Natural resources can be defined as the resource that exists on this planet, independent of human action. There are the resources that are found in the environment and they develop without the intervention of human. Common examples of natural resources include air, sunlight, water, soil, stone, planet, animal, and fossil. So gold includes as a abiotic component or a non-biological. Therefore, there's one big question. How valuable is the underground treasure in Freeport Company, which the actual name of this area is Grasberg, contested by many foreigners. Is it the gold underneath it as large as Everest Mountain? Approximately, the amount of gold Grasberg reached 1,000 tons. If we calculate it, it is the same weight as 2,000 elephants. It's really huge. What's inside of this Grasberg is not only gold, but also contains silver and copper. Approximately, the value of this mining has reached 2,400 trillion rupiah. This must be a large amount of money that for sure many of us will not be imagined about those big amount of money. Can it make us buy 1,000 Ferrari or a million bowls of chicken noodles for next 10 years? This large amount of money also bigger than our country's budget, and if we buy it for noodles, we can get 1.2 trillion noodles. Since I really like noodles, so why not? If we stick in, it could reach Mars. Okay, now we know this meaning is really huge, but also people seldom know to get 2,400 billion. The difficulties are big. According to history, we finally make a cooperation with one company, that is Freeport, and working on this mining gospel. Gold is a metal that is soft and malleable. Gold is grouped into two types, namely jewelry and gold bullion. The level of gold's purity is measured by the number of percentage of pure gold contained in that metal. How is the process of forming gold from nature? Generally, the process of forming gold occurs when a craftsman conjures a piece of rock to form a beautiful piece of jewelry. However, we struggle always in the form of rocks. Scientists explain that the process of formation of gold comes from meteoroid, exactly 200 years after the Earth was formed. The rock from space fell to Earth and was buried along with the ground above it. The meteorite is not the Earth's surface, but it's underground. However, its position does not reach the core of the Earth, so mining can still be carried out of the distance according to the existing standards. Mining is also done carefully and pays attention to the balance of nature. So, I'm gonna give the conclusions. This is just beginning, like we learned in high school. We have people and resources to keep continuing, move without a break. This is the big step by protecting our treasure. Thank you.
Proverbs 3 verses 19 to 21. By wisdom the Lord laid the earth's foundation, by understanding he set heaven in place, by his knowledge the watery depths were divided, and the clouds let drop the dew. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out.